First they film. The guy in the black shirt over there, Tales from the Graveyard Shift. There's a marathon edition, 12 to 12. Yonkers Marathon also going on. So that dude over there in the black shirt, he used to come to the library back in the day a lot, the World Library. I bet one day, I forgot, he comes out of the computer room, right? My man was wearing like a 50-cent belt buckle, and then like a fucking WrestleMania. And that shit must have been like a Thursday night, because I remember being extra loud and obnoxious. So I was like, yo, my man wearing a 50-cent belt buckle. And then I had to be clear. Why these people parking here like they don't know they can't park here like that? And then I had to be clear that I meant the rapper 50 Cent, not that I was assuming his belt buckle only cost 15 cents. He was rocking a fucking WrestleMania beanie and a fucking 50-cent belt buckle. I shouted that shit so loud. That was like the bacon, egg, and cheese of the deli. Like, I'm gonna bacon, egg, and cheese! Or, yo, my man wearing a 50-cent belt buckle. I don't feel like yelling and screaming and shit. My voice all fucked up and shit. Hey, 12 hours. 12 hours fucking, it's not easy doing that. 12-hour marathon. Even Jerry Lewis had it. They didn't just do a whole fucking marathon by themselves. That's it for now. I think the gimmick is wrapping up the marathon. That's it for now.